Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be breaking down my income because I am very nosy about other people's finances, and I'm sure you're probably nosy about mine as well. So let's make it mutual. And also, let me just give a couple of disclaimers. First off, this is not to brag. I'm not trying to show off with how much money that I make, etc. I know that I am very grateful to be a full-time content creator, and I'm very grateful to be able to do what I love and make money doing so. That being said, I am a big proponent about financial transparency. I love it when other people are transparent with their finances, and I like to be transparent with mine as well, because I'm sure you guys are probably curious about how much money I make, and if I don't tell you, then no one will ever know. If you know me, you know I'm not that type of person anyways. We'll be going into my different streams of revenue. So I do have multiple streams of revenue, quite a bit actually to be exact. I live stream on Twitch 4 times a week for 4 hours per stream, so I stream about 16 hours per week. I don't know how I'm gonna show you that, but I'll try my best given Twitch's anonymity thingamajiggy. With Twitch is really sketch with like revealing how much you make, so I'll try my best. Secondly, I have my Etsy shop, so I sell overlays, emotes, assets, like Twitch assets and stuff on Etsy, and most of my income actually comes from Etsy at this point. 3, sponsorships. I haven't done much recently, but it's still a chunk of my income. 4, I have YouTube, so I get YouTube revenue. And 5, I'm actually Dignitas's social media intern as of now. Hopefully that'll be a full-time job later, but I guess check in 3 months to find out if I get a return offer. Please, Dignitas, please, I want to work for you guys full-time. I unfortunately don't think I can legally tell you how much I make with that one. I don't think I can disclose my income. But I work 20 hours per week for them, and I am an intern, so I get paid pleb intern money. So you can do the math probably and guess how much that would probably end up being. And I am in California for reference, so the minimum wage here is like $15, I think? 14? I don't even remember. But yeah, with Twitch, I don't think I can tell you my exact monetary income. My pay was leaked on Twitch payouts when they leaked everyone's payouts. So if we go to the site called twitchpayouts.com, it actually lists the top, I believe, 10,000 earners on Twitch. So I can go look myself up here, and it only tracked it from August 2019 to October 2021. And mind you, I started streaming December 2018. So this covers almost over 2 years of my Twitch career. And it says my earning is $27,182. Mind you, I didn't start making money on Twitch until I got close to partner. So I would say I didn't start making money until September 2020. But this covers for like basically 1 year, September 2020 until October 2021. I will say though, my pay from Twitch has substantially decreased. It's because I really don't want people to subscribe to me because I don't want to make money off of people's generosity. So I'm completely fine with the number drop of my sub earnings. I had some really good months when I was pushing for partner, and I got partner. So I got partner February 2021, and then afterwards, like after I graduated and stuff, it went down. So I could probably tell you that I make around $1,500 off Twitch every month, which I am super grateful for. But that's where it's at as of now. And then with donos, I think I make around like $50 to $100 per month off donations. So we can highball this, or I don't know if that's the better way to go about it. Should I be lowballing these numbers? Let's just average out and say that I get $100 for donations per month, and I make $1,500 from Twitch, which is actually a highball. So normally it's not that high. So let's say currently it's at like $1,600. Hopefully, editing cat, please throw up some fancy numbers here. Here's my YouTube channel's analytics for revenue over the last 365 days. Mind you, I really didn't start like actively posting on, I only got monetized like right here in September 2021. And then we can see like roughly how much I make per day. I make about like $4 per day off of YouTube. I can't even buy 1 boba a day off of my YouTubes. Man, why did my RPM drop? I swear it was $4 the last time I checked, but man, can you guys watch some ads for me? Thank you. I want to be able to buy at least 1 boba. But we can go look at the last 28 days, and it said in the last 28 days, I made $130.99. And then if we scroll down, we also have our monthly estimated revenue, kind of estimations. So September, October, or November, So it says January, I made $150. And we are currently 6 days into February, and I've made $21. So if we go by this, then we add numbers. I should be at 1,750, if I'm correct. And going back to the all-time, man, I realize I'm in the wrong overlay for recording this. No wonder there's a daily sub goal up here. I was looking at that. That looked kind of funny to me. Anyways, I'm lazy and I'm not going to edit this out, so I'm sorry. The monkeys and the daily sub goal will disappear. Poof, it's gone. Yeah, sorry, I'm just lazy. I don't get paid enough to edit these videos. So, with my top video, let's see how many views this video has as of now. As of now, this video has 43,000 views, and my total revenue off of this many views is $75. This video here has 36.6 thousand views, and I made $54 off of it. So yeah, you don't make that much money, but it's probably because my RPM is really low. I don't know why it got so low. I need to stop cussing in my videos, man. I think that's the problem. Now going into... Why is the view so high for January? Since when? ¿Por qué? When did it go up this high? Anyways, I didn't even realize that. This is like the first time I've checked it in a while, my stats. We're looking at the all-time stats for my Etsy shop now, and this is for the visits, but we're gonna go over to the revenue. Oh, I did not know it was that much. Holy crap, why? That's a lot of money. Dude, this is literally a blind react. I actually never saw my January earnings. I actually had no idea. What? That's so crazy. Oh my god. Dude, make an Etsy shop, please, please, please. I'm telling you, I never thought I would make this much money. I thought I would make like $2 from Etsy. It's like the reason why I can live today, okay? Because God knows I don't make money from anything else pretty much anymore at this point. It was my goal. I need to tweet about this. It was my goal to go and make $5,000 per month off Etsy. I have a $5,000 month. That being said though, January is a long month, so we're gonna take that into account. February obviously won't look like this because February is much shorter than January. That's crazy though, my god. But yeah, we'll throw this in as an estimate, then I'll round it down to 5,000 because we're accounting for like some months being shorter because January is a 31-day month. Let's say I make $5,000 off Etsy. Oh my goodness. I also have a previous YouTube video showing you my Etsy earnings. So I opened my Etsy shop May 30th, I believe. Like I had 2 listings on there. 3. I officially opened it mid-June. So this is like the walkthrough of my Etsy earnings. I have again a YouTube video that kind of breaks this down more, but it ends in December. Because I filmed it in December, so there's no January content. But wow, I did not believe that. February. Oh my god, what is this? Anyways, check out my Etsy shop. I have a lot of listings on there. I think I do a good job with it, and I price it very low because I'm trying to make things accessible and affordable. And then, unfortunately, I can't like show you the nitty-gritty of sponsorships because like I have to sign NDAs and stuff regarding those, so I can't. Like I wish I could, trust me, I really wish I could. I would estimate though that I probably make around $1,000 per month of sponsorships, lowballing it. I've been really busy recently with my internship, so I haven't been able to take sponsorships and negotiate as much as I normally would. So I would lowball it at 1,000. So I'm at like, yeah, about $7,750 per month. And then I have like stock dividends and a lot of other like little random things here and there. Not trying to gatekeep, it's just literally, it's like $50 or less per of these little random things that it's not really worth mentioning. I could talk about it if you guys want me to. But it basically gives me a couple hundred here or there, and commission work too that I take on like as a case-by-case basis. So I'm at about $8,000 per month as a full-time content creator with my internship that I did not account into this actually. So it's actually more. But I don't think I can tell you, but I'm an intern, so there's no, I don't make that much money. And I'm actually in shock because I haven't calculated my income in a while, so I didn't realize it was that high. Oh my goodness. Dang, cat. Anyways, please let me know if you found this video helpful. Again, this is not trying to brag or anything. I just want to be financially transparent with people because I never knew how much content creators make. I was always so confused. And now that I like am a content creator and I know, I am shocked at how much and also how little some things make you. It's very eye-opening. So I hope this was eye-opening for you as well. And if you like financial transparency, I'd appreciate it if you smash the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel because it would mean a lot to me. And please watch my YouTube ads so I can actually afford boba per day from YouTube. But yeah, I hope to catch you guys in my Twitch streams. I do stream 4 days a week and I hope to see you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace!